Thirikari tongeretwe ni munene wa ritinguge bwa mwingi CS Wogima Susan Khumincha na utongeria bwa kanjo ya mangabana ni baririte matunda jara jombete kuoneka nyuma ya koti kwerekeria bo kwireba na KMPDU kenda kuthiria mugomo jwa mandagitari. KMPDU ni orotibo nene ni kurega gutumiria muthiajo wa mugomo na kinya kurega guchumiria ntuku ya igoro kenda gwikira kirore kire witikaniria bura bukombithia mandagitari gucoka ngugine gukurukira mukaririgite anwa iguru ugite o kaunti kamenya uria igakandana na kwanthinje mandagitari bare batachokera ngugine mwankira nandi. Anthony Kathenya na ripoti Tariria.
Nyuma ya gikalo kila kilali kibanga ni muthenyo mndi gatigati mandagitari thirikari nene na irija kaunti kulega kuthithika nyuma ya mandagitari kulega gukinya mucemanio ni uju wantu kujire kithingatanio ontu bura mutongera utingo bwa mwingi Felix Kosgei ameniletie leo kanjia magavana ni lititete mandagitari baba baterwa misare ya mieli ila bedhirito bale mugomoni.
According to the labor laws, you are not supposed to earn a salary if you have not worked. And therefore, those who have been on strike and they have not been working, a strike that had been suspended by the court, definitely should not expect any pay from the taxpayers' money because they did not work, unless the taxpayers' money vote to agree to pay them while they're on the streets. Therefore, we are advising all 47 counties not to pay any form of remuneration to those doctors who are out of their workstations for the period they've been there.
Kile walaniria bwao na mandagitari ni bombete witikaniria na kuona mwelekera kili mateta monde mandagitari ili yamwe na mandagitari kulwa misare yao ili temilie uandiki bwa mandagitari bajeru bomba kudiro bokambelia wona thirikari nene yalekelia kigina amona gwitikaniria kwambire mutaratoro mujeru wakondekanira CBA njeru kirentuko 30 GGT mweno gukanjwina magavana ilikuwa nibalitikaniria mandagitari baba ati bedro bakinya mugomojo mudia.
Having eliminated all other issues of dispute, save for the placement of doctor interns, the parties prepared an initialed the return to work formula agreement
on employment of doctors that county governments would recruit doctors on availability of resources as informed by the staff establishments. County governments agreed to engage the National Treasury in the next 6 months for seed funding to enable county governments to set up the scheme for the doctors. That the Council of Governors will initiate and coordinate the process of negotiating a new CBA with every county government within 30 days from the date of execution of the return to work formula.
Kulingana na waziri wa gumabwa mwele Susan Khumincha, thirikari nilekeretie bilioni 6.64 kile kuthiria mugomojo mbesa ino kithija kile kule misara ilete milie kule mathomo ma mandagitari kule misara ya interns amuna kwagiriria mubango walinda mama. Mweno gu waziri na Khumincha aligwa ministeri yae kathi kotini kuthitanga KMPDU nontu bakulega kutejaniria mugomojo.
To confirm that as of this morning, a total of 2 billion has been paid for Linda Mama arrears to all health facilities. Follow up to the doctor's refusal to call off the strike, we have instructed our council to immediately move to court and file the status report as to what we had agreed to and initialed on as a return to work formula.
Sisi kama sasa serikali za county ni lazima sasa tufike mahali tuseme wananchi wameteseka ya kutosha, na tuwezi endelea kuzunguka kwa kiwanja na hakuna lolote ambalo wamesema wanataka hatujawapatia.
Mamuji muneno Nairobi, Mbeta Anthony Rangi Wakadenya.